Shoutout to everyone. Magandang hapon, guys. Ayan, eto na naman tayo si Mix D. Ayan, kumakanta sa inyo ng mga most requested song. Coming up next, another Kenny Rogers song for you. Through the Years. Ayan, Kenny Rogers.
To make each other laugh.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. And I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seemed to be I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We've always worked things out. I learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Wow, talaga naman. Through the years, napakagandang love song for you. Hugot love song and most requested. Shout out to everyone. Magandang hapon. This is Mix D. Welcome to Bigo Live Philippines, and we are actually live simultaneously sa ating YouTube channel. So if you want to check it out, Mix Derulo. Ayan. Shout out to everyone.